In this video, I'm going to show you how to concatenate data files that being saved by AHP hydrostatic pressure testing software using Diadem. For example, for one machine, I have just saved the data file of all lines in different times. As you know, the AHP hydrostatic pressure testing software saves data in a folder named Hydrotest under root of C. When you refer to the folder of Hydrotest, you will find TDMS files that being saved automatically by the software. Whenever you want to start a line, the line will create a database with the name of the channel, with the name of the pressure station, and will save automatically the data. If the file exists in this folder, then the software will write the data from the end line of the data that being saved before. Then whenever you want to start a new test, you need to delete this file for that specific channel and start recording the new database file. Here, suppose that in different dates something happened and you had a backup from the data, TDMS data for that line for a specific date. And now after a long time, 1,000 hour testing, you want to concatenate these 2 or 3 files to have only one file for reporting. Here, as an example, I have data being saved on these dates. For example, 3rd of 6, and here 27 of 6. We have two database files that being saved on these dates. I mean, something happened, and we made a backup of all lines here. We made a backup from all lines. And here on 26, 27, we also made another backup of the lines. And now we want to concatenate. It's easy process. We will come to NI Diadem. On Navigator pane, just open the data file. Here we have file here, 3 of 6. I'm loading, for example, the line 1, the database file of station 1. You need to select TDMS, and you will choose line 1. Okay. Then after loading the data, you will see the data here and data portal. I'm also opening another file. This one was for the 3 of the 6, and now I'm loading 27 of the 6. Again, selecting file type and line 1 data, load, and we will have another group here with untitled 1. The first one is untitled, and here and now the second loaded is untitled 1. I'm going to view. Here's data portal, and we have 2 files. On view panel, if you select this one, for example, let me drag and drop it here as a 2D access system. We will have data file here. If you want to have another shape of display, here you can have channels and groups here as well, or you can select other types. Yeah, channel. We have channel data here. So let me choose this one. Oh, yeah. We have untitled, and we have untitled one. Yeah, you see the data here. Okay, we have two data groups here from this date to this date, and we stopped. No data recording is here, and we have another group of data here. You can see each of these data here. You can select to see both, and you can delete one, see another one, and so on. Yeah. Now I'm going to analysis to have concatenate here, concatenate channels. I'm selecting the group wise by channel name, selecting the base channel as untitled one. And the second channel of untitled, this one is untitled, and second is untitled one. I'm adding it here. Then calculate. It will automatically untitled two here is calculated as concatenated graphs. I'm going to view. Hmm. You see the data here? This one is untitled, untitled one, and this one is concatenated data. Yeah. Then I can delete untitled here, the second one as well, and also delete this untitled time to have the same structure name as the original data. And now we have only one data here. If you can see as a 2D axis, you can drop it here, drag and drop it here, and you have one data file that is concatenated, and it's generated from the original data for different date period, and you only have one file for reporting and the AHP hydrostatic software. Now you need to save this as a TDMS file. It will be used on the reporting section of the hydrostatic pressure test software. I'm saving it as a TDMS file, for example, one file now. Now we have only one file here. Okay, here we have one TDMS file, and now we can check it again. I'm deleting data portal here. I'm going to Navigator, opening the file that I created here. Yeah, one file now, and the data will be loaded here, and data portal. So I can go to view section to see it. Yeah, we see the graph, and you have many functions for removing the bad data, for a smoothing. On analysis section, you have many functions. And now this video was only for concatenation of the data files that you created using AHP software. And this file now can be used for reporting purpose on the AHP software. You can load this file into the software and report in Microsoft Word. One page Microsoft Word will be created. If you don't have uh, multiple files for concatenation, of course, you only have one TDMS file for whole period of the date for whole period of dates. I mean the whole time period. Then you can use that one file for importing in the report section of the software, and no need for the concatenation of the data here. It's easy process. Thank you.